who's rolling in an old school Dodge Ram van. This channel right here is the best representation I've seen of these vans on YouTube. So if you're a fan of these vans or you drive one of these vans, check out this channel. He's doing a lot of what I'm doing, but with way more skill than me. He has welding and fabrication skills. I like watching these sort of videos because I'm a fan of all the old school vans, Dodge, GM, Ford, and it's cool to see what people are doing. You can learn from others. These vans have a small aftermarket across all three companies, so it's cool to see what people are doing. So, since I am a fan of lifted vans, when you type in lifted Dodge Ram van, that's actually my video right there. I talked about this last year, and I would like to talk about it again. So I got my thumbnail picture from this picture right here. I'm like, man, that's a good looking van. This one's nice, of course. It's a four-wheel drive conversion. Everyone loves four-wheel drive conversions. But this one caught my eye. I looked at it, said that's two-wheel drive. It looks like it's on a small lift, like a 2 or 3 inch lift. So clicking on this, I'm led to this guy's vlog right here. So it's a photographer's vlog. He started off with this van. It was his grandma's van, and he turned it into a photographer van. And then I saw this comment right here. See, there are people interested in the lift like me. That's what I would ask. How were you able to achieve the lift with a unibody van? I'm trying to do the same with my Ram van. 7 years ago, no response. So I wanted to learn more about this van. I went to this guy's Instagram account, and he's a big time photographer. Now he's rolling in a pickup truck with a camper on it. And yeah, he's just all about the photography, 726,000 followers, so I don't think he cares about the van stuff. So yeah, I just enjoy seeing what people are doing. So check out this channel. It's nice to see a Dodge van represented. My friends mostly have Ford vans, a couple have GM vans, and I don't think many of you have a Dodge van. That's why I'm asking, who has a Dodge van who's like into this hobby like my Ford friends are, like my GM friends are? I would like to see more of these vans get adventurized, camperized. And here's the thing with these Dodge vans. They are bargains, man. Like, look at this one right here. $6,000 listed 17 hours ago. This one's gonna sell fast. This has 75,000 miles on it. $6,000. And look at the interior of this van. So that's the big imperfection, this dent right here. I'm sure you could pop this dent out. It's not gonna look perfect, but that's not too bad. It's character. The van's an adventure van. So yeah, look at this interior. These Dodge vans, they're not as sought after as the GMs or the Chevys, but man, if you really like these Dodge vans, you could get a great deal. $6,000. Now, who's gonna figure out the lift dilemma for these vans? Who's gonna come up with the lift kit solution for these vans? Even a 2-inch lift would be nice, like the van I shared with you guys. Like, that looks really good, man. So yeah, these vans interest me a lot just because I don't see many of them. Like I said, it's mostly Ford, GM vans lifted, but no Dodge vans lifted. So $6,000. Who wants to get into this hobby with $6,000? And this van only has 75,000 miles on it. So there you go. A video for my Dodge van fans. Let me know in the comments who's rolling in a Dodge van.